So I'm gonna go over this winning trade I took yesterday. It was a very good trade, and I'm just gonna go over what I was looking for, my confirmations, etc. So just to look at price on the 1 hour time frame, which I'm on, if you notice, we was heavily bearish. So we can see that this is the last high that made the low. And if you even continue to look on this 1 hour time frame, notice around this where I've got this black line drawn here and a black line drawn here, we had this fair value gap, which a lot of the time in the market, price wants to come fill. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to fill it straight away, but it's just a zone potentially that it could come to eventually. So I had that bearing in mind when I was looking at this trade. Now, also on the 1 hour, we can even see, notice we had this trend line here, this spike down, and then this massive bullish push up showing bullish momentum in the market. So as we can see, in Asia session, we can see that we were obviously bullish, and coming out of it, just coming into Frankfurt session, I noticed we had this equal lows, spike down, and then a push up. So me seeing that also with this internal break to the upside as well, gave me confirmation to get into the trade. So going back to the 15-minute time frame, notice how we had this order block here on the 15-minute. So for me, I was waiting for price to come in, tap into it, and then give me some type of reaction for me to get into the buy. So I went to the 5-minute, and on the 5-minute, we can see that when price came into this zone, this candlestick here where it had this rejection to the upside and pushed down, obviously showing that buyers tried to get into the market but couldn't push it up. Obviously I was a bit hesitant then, but then when this came and we had this massive bullish engulfing and it just closed above this candlestick, that's where I entered for the trade. Had my stop loss, it was supposed to be just below this candlestick, but had it like half a pip above. And then my target was just a 1 to 5, and my optimal targets were obviously up here where this fair value gap was, but price never reached it and pushed down.